I can't believe I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try mockingbird, but and then I'm gonna see how I'm ready to drop bombs, but it keeps on cooking. I'm not doing the beginning though, so but yeah, I hope you guys like this. Listen, honey. Really, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad. While I'm gone, I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see your side, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside you wanna cry. Cause it's scared, I ain't there. Daddy's with you in your prayers. No more crying, no tears. Daddy said no more nothing. We gon' pull together through. We can go another uncle say he's gonna got it, but it helps you really better. What we got in this world, when it spins, when it twirls, when it whirls, when it twirls. Too little be so if they're doing great, I know it's confusing you. Daddy's always on the move, mama's always on the news. Try to keep you safe, shut the conversation on your hand, please. I try. No, I ain't frustrated. All things growing up with daddy on the one to see. Daddy won't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did nothing to be this way. You're the me, but I'm sorry, this ever again, over again. Like we used to be when we were teenagers, and almost everything always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be, but it doesn't that we don't have control over, and that's what destiny is. But no more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we wake up and next swallow, baby. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Things will be alright. If not, no, baby, I told you that is it. I hold you through the night. And then when he's not here right now, we feel how we feel inside. And you see my little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. It's funny. I remember back when you and mommy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents and left them on the trees. Cause daddy couldn't buy them. I'll never forget that Christmas. I sat up and hold my crying. Cause daddy felt like a bum. See, daddy had a job, and his job is to keep the food on the table for you and mom. Every house that we keep living, we have been working into go around the shot on the drive. We're saving up money for you and I'm on the shop and I'm got $1,000 to someone working and so late and I know it hurts so bad. It broke your mama's heart. The other thing was on the time, mom and dad was arguing a lot. So mama moved back on the counties. Mom and dad moved back to the other side of 8 Mile. That's when I was just on the phone in the city and they got the tray and flew out to mama to see me. And they got the work you and mama had to give me. Then you started seeing daddy on the city. Mama didn't like it. You were so long. I understand it. After mama has not up to have it. I'm happy to pass to either one of us to get it. I'm so sorry you were there. Because all I ever wanted to do was make you proud. Now I'm sitting in this empty house. Doesn't running around for baby pictures. It's just teaching you out to see how much you feel like grown up. Like this is the now. But well, I guess you pretty much are, and daddy's still here. Lady, I'm talking to you too. Daddy's still here. I like the sound of that. Yeah. I'm gonna, yeah, mommy's holding on for the month. Now I should have been here, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Up a little bit of baby, I told you, daddy's here, hold you. And I'm only right here, right now, we need to know. And I get a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise, mama, to be alright. There's my pretty mama, gonna buy you something. I'm giving you the world. I'm about to diamond ring for you. I'm going to sing for you. I'm gonna sing for you to see it now. And the walking bird don't sing and the rain don't shine. I'm a bird that freezing. I'll go back to the Julia who sold it to you and make it the carrot. Ah, yeah, it's this because I want to like not really be like Eminem or a rapper, but I guess Nicki Minaj is just as hot. Well, not as hot, but yeah. But freestyling is something I really want to learn how to do because I'm from a good bloodline of that. But yeah, and because my stepdad, yeah, He freestyles a lot, and I think he's really good. But you know, Eminem's my idol. I'll follow him to the day I die. But whatever day he does, when it's Lil Wayne or who's older, I really don't know. But right now, I'm just trying to work things out, trying to learn things, do good in school, try to set my goals. Because when I get older, I want to join the Marines or maybe the Air Force. I'm trying to follow my brother's careers. Yeah, go to college, finish high school, try not failing a grade for once, and yeah. But I will be guys like this and all. And wow, I have rice on my computer. I was eating some rice earlier. Oh my god, I think I got rice stuck in my computer keyboard. So yeah, I hope you guys really did like this. Make please comment and subscribe. By now, you're probably just gonna exit the screen because I'm talking too much. I just wanted to tell you guys why I made this video so I don't have to put a huge description box thing. But bye. I'm gonna be singing another song after this, probably Superman or something like that, and I'm gonna kind of do that. Okay, bye everybody, peace.